wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best kids tool sets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Each piece in the Theo Klein Bosch can be conveniently stored on the included belt, which allows your child to walk around the house and pretend to fix things, just like a real carpenter. Plus, the handles are designed to be easy for little hands to hold. The strap is adjustable and the drill operates in both directions. However, the belt is hard for children to put on. At number 9, the wonderworld bench and box comes with a hammer, a wrench and a screwdriver, plus hardware that little ones can use them on to be just like mommy or daddy. The workbench and all the components are made out of child-safe, environmentally friendly rubber wood. It helps to improve dexterity and is manufactured using all non-toxic paints and dyes, but the hammer breaks rather easily. Coming in at number 8 on our list. The Black & Decker Junior Fun is a great value considering the number of pieces you get for the price. In addition to all the basic hand tools you find in most real toolboxes, like screwdrivers, pliers and wrenches, it also includes fake wood blocks for drilling into. It's an extremely durable construction with authentic Black & Decker logos. However, the drill is not battery powered. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Kids Tool Sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the fun-filled edukid toys is the perfect choice for 3 to 5-year-olds. Each piece features a chunky handle that's easy for little ones with limited motor skills to hold, and its durable bright yellow case won't break if dropped. It comes with interchangeable drill bits and rounded edges that prevent scratches. The case makes organization easy. Moving up our list to number 6. If your kids like helping you around the house, take a look at the DIY Junior Steel Forged, which features real child-sized screwdrivers, pliers and safety glasses. It's perfect for teaching them to work with their hands, but shouldn't be used without supervision. It's a high-quality construction that includes a belt and a bag for storage. It's intended for ages 7 and up. Halfway up our list at number 5. The eco-friendly Green Toys is built with both your child and planet Earth in mind. It features 15 efficient tools that are made from 100% recycled plastic milk jugs and colored with non-toxic soy inks, and they're also labeled to identify what they are. All the pieces are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning and sturdy enough to last for years. It's made in the USA. At number 4, if you're looking for an all-inclusive kit, look no further than the 52-piece Kidami Deluxe, which comes with a wide variety of nails, screws, washers, and interchangeable drill bits. The whole thing can be conveniently stored and carried in the included nylon bag. It includes a functional and accurate tape measure, and it's all made to look like real metal. It's great for multi-child households. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The Fisher-Price Drillin action encourages creative playtime for kids who are interested in building. It comes with a power drill that has forward and reverse speeds and interchangeable bits, and the included caddy is a great way to keep everything organized in one place. It features slots to hammer the nails into and a realistic appearance. The drill has a long battery life. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Kids Tool Sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Melissa and Doug Wooden Take-Along is a creative learning aid for preschoolers to explore how a hammer and wrench work while improving their fine motor skills. It comes with lots of smoothly sanded wood pieces that can be connected in a variety of ways. The handle is easy to grab and go, and it's all a very sturdy construction. It promotes color and shape recognition. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the 19-piece Kidzlane Durable is built to last, as the name implies, and can stand up to plenty of abuse. It has everything your little one needs to become a pretend mechanic or contractor, including a fully functional tape measure and a battery-powered drill that makes realistic sounds. It features a sturdy plastic carrying case, a pair of safety goggles, and batteries. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Kids Tool Sets, or simply click beneath this video.